Welcome to Unit 8, Lesson 5. This is our last lesson that we have in the loans unit, and we're going to focus on home equity loans. So basically the goal for today is to be able to understand how to calculate the maximum qualifying amount that someone can take out for a home equity loan. So when we say equity, we did hear that term before with our Shark Tank unit, but we really are meaning essentially the value of your home. So your personal equity, your sort of stake in the value of your home is going to be its market value minus the amount that you still owe on it if you do still have a mortgage payment. At some point, you're going to probably want to try to make repairs so you can increase the value of your home, and you can take out a home equity loan to do that. Now, each bank is going to have different requirements and qualifications in terms of eligibility for a home equity loan. So we're going to go off the assumption that the bank will allow you to borrow 75% of your home's current market value. So our formula to calculate the maximum amount of a home equity loan that someone could qualify for, we're going to use this formula. 0.75 or 75% times the current market value minus your mortgage balance. Okay, so for the first example, Jim and Mary are applying for a home equity loan. The current market value of their home is $95,000, and they have a remaining mortgage balance of $24,870. What is the maximum amount of a home equity loan they would qualify for? So first, I need to identify the current market value, which from the problem we see is $95,000. That's the current market value of their home. So that's the amount that I'm going to put there. 0.75 times $95,000 for their current market value. And I need to subtract any remaining mortgage balance that they have. So in this case, their remaining mortgage balance, the amount that they still have to pay on their house, is $24,870. So that's the amount that I subtract. Okay, so all we did was 0.75 times the current market value minus the mortgage balance. So now to get our final answer, all we got to do is plug that into the calculator. So 0.75 times 95,000 minus 24,870 gives us a final answer of $46,380. So that amount that I have here in pink is the maximum amount that they would qualify for to take out a home equity loan. Okay, example 2. Skylar wants to apply for a home equity loan. The current market value of his home is $58,000 and he owes $35,000 on his mortgage. So we want to find the maximum amount that he would qualify for a home equity loan. Again, same formula, 0.75 times current market value, which in this case, the current market value of his home is $58,000. So we'll plug that in here. And then I need to subtract the amount that he still has to pay on his house, his mortgage balance, which from this problem tells me he still owes $35,000 on his mortgage. So I need to plug that in there to subtract it. And then we just crank it through the calculator to get our final answer. So 0.75 times 58,000 minus 35,000 means that he would only qualify for $8,500 for a home equity loan. So basically a loan to make some repairs and improvements to try to increase his home's value. Okay, so I put a refresher of the formula down here. You have 2 questions to complete on your own for an exit slip to turn in for your grade. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me or join the Google Meet on Wednesdays.